'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower day. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause
lately this small town getting me high. I've given up all my friends and all my time. A pretty face never mattered to me. It's nothing like the
Sarap po ice. Gusto pa lang.
Good morning, everyone. We are on the most exciting part of our flight to Cebu to Sopetbon. Our first question.
Ayan na, guys.
Annyeong. Okay, we have a quick
South
one.
Korea. South Korea.
At the back. And how about here in forward?
Ang galing mo,
Okay,
friend.
congratulations. The correct answer is
You're so smart.
that concludes our fun games for the meantime. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest.
Nobody said it was easy. Oh, it's such a shame for us to part.
All the way up to the top, I see you. Thank you so much, everybody, for giving us the most beautiful evening here in the Philippines, in Manila. Thank you so much. Hey, you've just been totally incredible. You made us feel on top of the world. On top of the world, man. On top of the world.
girl, I know it ain't been easy. You've been splitting even. Baby, I really wanna get to know you right this time. Give me the pieces. That's all I need, babe. Yeah. I wish that you would give me a sign. I've been waiting for the longest. I've been waiting for the moment all night. Yeah. I've been waiting for the longest. I've been waiting for the
Welcome to Kalikna. Quarters.
Sometimes I wish me back to you. I
I wish me back to the time when life was good. I wish me back to those moments at the beach. We didn't think about sunscreen.
Yes, welcome. Welcome to my room.
Welcome to my humble abode.
So what do you do for a living?
So, I let you show my room. So, this is the
Wow. But my luggage.
first two queen bed. Oh, it's my luggage. I have a lot of things to carry.
Oh wow.
So, this is the TV. And we have a large mirror here on the sides. And then here's our balcony. I don't know how to open this. Just kidding. You need to unlock this first. Boom.
Oh wow.
You can see
The beautiful view
beautiful view of the
of
Fairways Resort.
Fairways. Oh my god.
Hello everyone. Are you guys ready for the next room?
Oh my god, let's go.
Okay, let's knock first. Let's knock first. Are you guys ready? Hello, excuse me, excuse me. Ang tagal, ang tagal. Ang tagal. Let's knock for the next room.
Yes, welcome to my humble abode. Uy, pinatuli yan.
So this is your CR?
Oh, this is my home. So, are you the bathroom attendant?
Yes, 10 pesos only.
So,
Wait, so expensive. I want 5.
We kilo-kilo na tayo.
Cause baby like ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby like ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun
Kaya na, kaya. Kaya? Hanghang sa. Kaya? Asos? Asos? Spicy. Spicy. Really spicy. Really spicy.
Ay, wala. Panindigan nyo yan.
Kaya? Kaya? Kaya may Tabasco ba?
Talaga, parang halata sarap eh. Naman pa ako.
Yay.
Why don't you call